Hey guys, so you won't see in this video, but off camera before I placed the water slide in the water, I did spray the water slide with acrylic sealer. You want to be sure to spray it with acrylic sealer. If you do not, then the water slide will not work. It has to be sealed with the spray. So after you seal it with the spray, you allow it to sit for a few minutes until it dries, and then you just cut it out and place it in the water for about 30 seconds. And then once it has been sitting in the water for about 30 seconds, it will be easy to slide off of the white backing and onto your cup or tumbler or whatever you're doing it on. I'm doing it on a mug, and you want to wet the surface just a little bit, and then it will easily slide off the white backing. Once it has slid off the white backing, you will just smooth it out, and in this video you will see I will be using my fingers as well as the towel. You can also use a sponge. I think the sponge will work better than the towel to smooth it out, and you want to be very careful not to rip the water slide, and just be very gentle when you're doing this step. Now that it is all smooth, I'm going to be moving on to my next cup, and I will be doing the same steps. I will let the water slide sit in the water for about 30 seconds, and then I will wet the surface and then slide the water slide onto the mug and remove the white backing. Once you have smoothed out your water slide, you will allow it to sit for about an hour or two, and the instructions for this water slide decal paper does say to bake it in a conventional oven. However, I skipped this step and just allow it to sit for the entire day. And that is it for this video, guys. Applying a water slide is very simple. Just be sure to follow all the correct steps. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as a comment, and I will see you all in my next upload. Bye!